Hey everybody, it's Damian Black and this is the What's New Sue Show. And I wanted to say welcome, namaste. And today's show is going to be a little bit different. I'm broadcasting from the from the studio here in No Arts District, and it's an amazing day. It's a little bit rainy out here in Hollywood, yet it's still gorgeous. The flowers are in bloom and the people are at peace. And I'm hoping that peace is in your world today. You know, there's a lot of wonderful charities here on Sue. If you don't know about it, there's a hashtag charity list that you can use in the search mechanism up there in the left-hand corner. And it will take you and show you a list of verified charities here on Sue that you can actively donate to by simply pressing the donation button. And during that process, if you want, there's a little box that says Post to My Wall. And if you'd like to help other individuals learn about that particular charity, make sure to check that box that says Post to My Wall. That way that donation will be posted to your wall, and a link to that certain charity will also be available on your wall. And others that are viewing your wall can participate in either donating or perhaps following and or commenting to bring more awareness to that particular charity. And it's a beautiful day when you can give and you can share and you can earn money all in the same stroke of a key. So be blessed, be a blessing. This has been Damian Black, producers at Sue.co, and this has been the What's New Sue Show, episode 7, season 2. Thank you very much. Bye for now.